Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Joy Bettenhausen. Later this evening, we'll have strong to severe storms. That's why threat tracker's in the orange. Once the rain's done, Friday morning will be partly cloudy, but by Saturday, rain looks to push right back in, and temperatures will only be in the 50s. The Storm Prediction Center still has our far northwestern counties under a level 3 out of 5 risk for severe storms. That does include New Hampton and Decorah. Places near Elkader, Owine, Waterloo, and Tama, you're in a level 2 risk out of 5. That's been downgraded some since earlier this morning. Cedar Rapids, Monticello, Dubuque, level 1 risk. Iowa City and South, you're not in the risk at all. Those in the orange, though, have the best chance at seeing large hail up to 2 inches, damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, and even a few tornadoes this evening. We've got that warm front that's continuing to push northward. We'll likely see storms start to fire out ahead of it somewhere between 5 and 7 p.m. This will first happen over Minnesota and then start to inch its way south. The best chance to see tornadoes will likely be along either the warm front or the cold front, so something to take note of along that way. Notice as we push this further that the storm chance remains in our far northern half of the viewing area. We're not seeing anything further south yet. Things still right along that warm front, but as the cold front draws near, instead of getting the individual storms, we'll start to see a more linear fashion develop, and that's likely where we'll see the large hail threat transition to more of a damaging wind gust threat. Can't rule out a few spin-up tornadoes along the cold front, though. Something to also keep in mind late. This is 5 a.m. now, so a few storms may still linger through the early portion of the morning commute, but likely when everyone's getting up and getting going 7, 8 o'clock, it'll just be all rain, and by the afternoon on Friday, we will be done with the rain entirely. So a lot to take in, but just something to keep in mind of as you go to bed late tonight and waking up tomorrow. We could see a lot of rain out of this, especially in our northern counties, anywhere between up to about 1.5 inches, and locally even more if storms develop and move over the same location. Today's highs are going to be in the 80s as we do have that chance of showers and storms later this afternoon. Tonight, dropping down to the mid to upper 50s, pretty mild as showers and storms will be likely, and this is when we'll see kind of those stronger severe storms. City by city forecast: Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. We're in the 50s Saturday. You have to bring out your rain jacket. It's just going to be a chilly and raw day. We're drying on Sunday, but temperatures only make it to about 60 degrees, and we do stay in the 60s through the first half of next work week.